What's up everybody? Welcome to Data. So today I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive uploaded file links with your friends or with anyone. So first of all, you have to search drive.google.com in the search section. So I'm searching drive.google.com and search. So you can see the interface of Google Drive. Right click on the mouse and then you will see the option file upload. So you can upload whatever you wanted to upload in Google Drive. So I am uploading this folder Google Documents, which is contain nothing. So which folder contain nothing. So I am just uploading this folder into Google Drive. So documents folder is uploaded. You can see that folder in the Google Drive. So I want to share this folder with my friends. Just right click on the mouse and you can see there is an option here, share. So click on the share. After clicking the share section, you will see the pop-up screen of share. So by default it is in the this folder is only access with the owner. So by default it is restricted, only the people with access can open with the link. So you have to change it to anyone with the link. Just click on restricted and you can see the option anyone with the link. Click on anyone with the link and then copy the link you want to share with friends, and then click on done. So after copied the link, you can share the link with anyone. This is how you can copy the link from, you can share the link from Google Drive. If you change anything in the folder, so the changes also made in the link because the link you have copied contain the folder. So this is how you can do it. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you guys in the next one.